Friends, we all use our iPhones every single day, but have you ever stopped for a second and wondered about the weird little mysteries hiding inside them? Like, why does your iPhone heat up so quickly? Or why can you set a password or Face ID, but never a simple pattern lock like on Android phones? And what's really going on when you step out in the sun and your screen suddenly goes dim on its own? Strange, right? It almost feels like Apple is playing by its own secret set of rules, and in today's video, we're going to peel back those rules. We'll uncover the hidden logic behind these quirks and reveal some iPhone truths that most people have never even thought about. But before we move forward, let's hit the subscribe button down below. Anyways, let's get right into it. Let's start with a big one: security. If you've ever used an Android, you're probably used to the pattern lock. It's easy, it's quick. But have you ever wondered why you can't find it anywhere on an iPhone? Well, the reason is simple. Apple thinks it's just not secure enough. Think about it. If someone is standing behind you, it's incredibly easy for them to shoulder surf and memorize the pattern just by watching your finger. That makes your data vulnerable. On the other hand, a random string of numbers is much harder to glance at and remember. And let's not forget about Face ID, which takes security to a whole other level. It's a key that literally only you can use. So yeah, Apple's logic here is all about putting security first. Let's get into a topic that's literally hot. Why do iPhones heat up so much? It can be pretty jarring to feel that warmth, especially when you've paid so much for the device. The main reason is all about power. Think of your phone's processor like a marathon runner. When it's just doing simple tasks, it's jogging, no problem. But when you fire up a graphically intense game or a video editor, it's sprinting at full speed. All that intense effort generates heat. And because the iPhone's sleek design has no built-in fans, that heat radiates through the phone's body right into your hand. So, while it can be a little annoying, that warmth is actually a sign that your phone is flexing its muscles to give you the best possible performance. You've probably noticed that iPhones don't have a micro SD card slot, unlike most Android phones. The simple reason is this: Apple wants to protect their brand. Most people don't buy expensive, high-quality SD cards. They buy the cheapest one they can find. And those cheap cards, they can slow a phone down, cause it to freeze, and even corrupt your files. If that happens, the user isn't going to blame the $10 card. They're going to blame their expensive iPhone. And that's not a risk Apple is willing to take. By making storage entirely internal, Apple ensures your phone's performance and reliability are always top tier. Have you ever tried to use your iPhone on a sunny day and suddenly it just goes dark? It's like it has a mind of its own. You can barely see anything, and you're left wondering, why did the screen just dim like that? Well, this isn't a glitch. It's the iPhone protecting itself. As we talked about earlier, the processor generates a lot of heat, especially when you're doing something demanding. Add direct sunlight to that mix, and your phone can start to overheat in a hurry. To avoid any potential damage, the phone automatically reduces the screen brightness. Think of it as a safety measure. The screen is the most energy-hungry part of the phone, and by dimming it, the processor doesn't have to work as hard, which keeps the temperature in a safe zone. It might be a little annoying, but it's actually saving your phone from a meltdown. Here's an unbelievable iPhone fact. It secretly takes your picture every 5 seconds. Don't worry, it's not a conspiracy, it's a feature. The infrared camera scans for your face to help Face ID learn different angles. It also monitors your eye movement. If you look away, the phone dims the screen to save battery, and it's how your notifications can stay hidden until you look at them. So while it might sound a little unsettling, it's actually a powerful feature designed to make your phone smarter and more secure. And yes, you can turn it off in the Face ID settings. Here's one of the biggest annoyances for iPhone users. You can't close all your apps at once. On Android, it's a simple tap of a button. But on an iPhone, you're stuck swiping them away, one by one. The reason is simple. Unlike some Android apps, apps on iPhone don't drain your battery in the background. They're frozen and ready to go. Apple's position is that closing them all isn't necessary because it doesn't improve performance or battery life. The Close All button is a feature Apple believes is completely pointless on their system. So, while it can be frustrating, you're not really losing out on anything. I hope this video answered some of your biggest iPhone questions. What other tech mysteries do you want me to solve next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.